make the largest possible.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. We are here with the Team C and Team D, the quantum sums versus the vectors fields. And the first question is on your screen right now. Emily has the following cards: -1, -4, 2, -6, 4, and 5. Emily is going to choose two cards and multiply the numbers on them. What cards should Emily choose to make the largest possible answer?
Team C, S.
20, 5 and 4. आप क्वेश्चन उर्दू में पढ़ सकते हैं.
That is the incorrect answer. Sorry. We have to deduct 5 marks from you. It's not 5 and 4. Please, Nihal, turn off your mic. आपका जब नाम लिया जाए तब आप आंसर करें. It's -4 and -6. When you multiply two numbers and you're getting the highest possible answer, it's the -4 times the -6, which can give us +24. That is the possible highest, largest possible answer, right? So make sure when you are 100% clear, then you then you click the buzzer. We are moving to look here is the answer, -6 and -4. The next question is on your screen right now. Mr. Jenkins is tiling a square floor. He uses 196 square tiles. Work out how many tiles are in each row.
Team D, Dad.
14.
Exactly, it's 14. Well done. Because when you have 14 times 14, that would be equal to 196. So it's the square floor. So in each there are 14, and it's 14 times 14. Get ready for the next question. Write down a factor of 80 between 11 and 19.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
11, 19, and 16.
11, 19, and 60. No, I said that a factor of 80 between 11 and 19. A factor of 80. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4.
1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 40.
Exactly 16 is the answer. I have given you a few more seconds because you didn't understand that, but that's the correct answer. Well done. It's 16, 5 times 80. So 16 is the correct answer. 10 points will be awarded to your team. Next question is on your screen now. What is 5 square plus 2 cube?
Fatima.
33.
What?
Zahra.
Oh, yes, Fatma Zahra.
I said 33.
So 5 square is 25 plus 8 is equal to 33. Your answer is correct. Thank you. 10 marks is awarded to 10 points is awarded to Fatima and her team C. Next question is on your screen. Something divided by 5 equals 6 over 15. Find the missing number.
Team D, Mariam.
It's 2.
Exactly, 2 is the correct answer. Well done. Because when you have 2 divided by 5, you need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by a certain number to get 6 over 15. So we have 3, 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So the missing number is 2. The next question is on your screen. Work out 7 over 9 plus 4 over 9. You need to find the answer from this.
Team D, Anabia Awes.
It is 11 by 9.
No, 11 by 9 is not present here. You need to select one of them. Please, quick.
It's going to be 1 and 2 by 9.
1, 2 by 9 is the correct answer. Well done. That is the correct one. Make sure that you select the correct option from the options that are given. Get ready for the next question. Write the number 3.75 as a mixed number.
Team C, Mariam.
3
5 seconds.
whole 3 by 4.
3 whole 3 by 4 is the correct answer because 3.75 can be written as 3 plus 0.75, which is equal to 3 is the whole part and 7 over 5, 3 over 4 is the fractional part. Get ready for the next question. Two identical square and the rectangle are drawn below. You can see that on screen. There are
Team
few
C, Mariam Fatima.
10.6 centimeter.
the length of the rectangle, this smaller rectangle, according to Mariam Fatima, is 10.6 centimeter, and that is the correct answer. Well done, Mariam. Because when the two numbers 4.7, 4.7 centimeter, we need to subtract that is 9.4 from 20. So it's 20 minus 9.4, and that would be equal to 6 and 10. 10.6 is the correct answer. Get ready for the next question. That is on your screen right now. Circle the smallest number, A, B, C, or D.
Team C, Anabia.
Yes. You have 5 seconds to answer.
Anabia Awes.
D.
You said D. Okay. If you said D, then it is correct. Apologies because I didn't hear it correctly. There is this B and D sounds like same. Miss Fajr, that's the correct answer.
Right.
Get ready for the next question, kids. What is the cube root of 8 times 10 to the power 12?
Team C, Mariam Fatima. Mariam
Two,
Fatima.
yeah, 2000.
2 times 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 4. It's not 2000, unfortunately. So the answer is 2 times 10 to the power 4, which is 20,000. 2 with the 4 zeros, right? So it's 20,000. You must have said that it's 2 times 10 to the power 4. That would be way easier. Okay, we will deduct five score from your team. The next question is on your screen now. Simplify m 9 times m divided by m5.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
It's M5. Raised to the power
M5.
5.
Yeah, M5 is the correct answer. Well done, Mariam. Okay, everyone. That is Musa, Fatima, Nihal, Muhammad bin Falak, Asma, Maria, Ammar, Irha Mughal, Rohan. There are too many students here, but no one is pressing the buzzer on time. Make sure if you know the answer, you can press the buzzer quickly. All right, kids, we have the new question on our screen now. Frank rounds the number y to the nearest tens. His results is 80. You need to write down the error interval for y. Y should lies between
Team D, Asma Murtaza.
79.6 and 80.4.
it's to the nearest 10, and unfortunately your answer is not correct. Frank rounds the number y to the nearest 10 and result is 80. So to the nearest 10, the degree of accuracy is 10 divided by 2 equals 5. You need to add and subtract 5 from it. So it will be between 75 and 85. That is the answer. Here is the answer. Unfortunately, your answer is incorrect. That's why we need to deduct the score. All right, so the next question is on screen now. A bag contains 800 sweets, 25% of the sweets are red. Work out how many
Team
red sweets are.
Team Fatima.
200.
200 is the correct answer because you need to actually find 25% of 800, which is equal to 25 divided by 100 times 800. That are equal to 200. Well done. All right, the next question on your screen now. Increase 360 by 20%.
Team C, Fatima to Zahra. Team C,
Yes,
Fatima to Zahra.
0.36.
what?
0.36.
No, that is not the correct answer. It's the 20%. Okay, when you are increasing something, you have to multiply. Finding the 20% of 360, it's 10% is 36, 20% would be 72. You need to add 72 with 360. So that would be equal to 432. So the correct answer is 432. Fatma, your answer is incorrect, unfortunately. So the 36, increasing 20% by 30% for 360 would be 432. Next question is on your screen now. Jacob buys a watch costing 84 pounds. The cost includes VAT, value added taxes, at the rate of 20%. How much is the
Team C,
watch without?
Mariam Fatima.
70.
Yes, well done. 70 is the correct answer because its cost includes VAT. So without VAT, it would be 80%. So 84 pounds divided by 80% will be equal to 70 pounds. So the answer is 70 pounds. That is the correct. All right. Here you have the next question. Simplify square root of 200 minus square root of 72.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
4 square root 2.
4 square root of 2 is the correct answer because you can write 200 square root as 10 root 2 minus this is 6 root 2. That is equal to 4 root 2. Well done, Maryam Fatima, mashallah. You're doing great. All right. Who are the team leaders? Who is the team leader of Team C?
Me.
Muhammad Musa. I will ask a single next question from you. Musa, are you the team leader?
Yes, but I'm pressing late.
Okay. The next question I will ask in this round, I will ask question from each kid from your team, and once they answer, we will move to the next. So, who will be the first person from your team? From Team C. Muhammad Musa.
Me.
ओके मिस फजर मैं इनसे क्वेश्चन करता हूं आपने बजर ऑन करना है एंड ओनली मोहम्मद मूसा विल click the buzzer because we want to note down their score on bazong.com. Therefore, no other student will be. I'm asking this question specially from one kid, that is Mohammed Musa, and I will ask you from each one of you. तो इसके लिए मेक श्योर करें कि हर बच्चे को जब क्वेश्चन अभी पूछा जाए तो वही बच्चा सिर्फ बजर प्रेस करे और बच्चे प्रेस ना करें. So yes, Mohammed Musa, this question is for you. Kyle takes x minutes to solve a puzzle. It takes Noah 4 minutes longer to solve the puzzle than Kai. Circle the expression for the number of minutes it takes Noah to solve the puzzle.
Is it x plus 4?
Exactly, x plus 4 is the correct answer. आपने buzzer press किया था?
ये मैंने बाद में किया था.
Okay. Okay, score has been awarded to you. Who is the next one? Fatima to Zahra from Team C. This question is specifically from you, and you need to answer this, but you have to press the buzzer. The next question for you is find an expression in term of x for the parameter of this L shape. This is the L shape, and you need to find the parameter of this shape that is in front of you. You have 10 seconds. If anyone can answer from Team C, then I can give the marks
Yeah, I
to
can.
them.
But I,
Okay.
Rabia?
No.
8x
Yes.
plus 8x plus 6.
8x plus 6. It's 12x plus 8, the correct answer, right? So 10 marks will be deducted from, 5 marks will be deducted from the Team C.
Mr. Mustafa,
Yes?
it's supposed to be 8x.
Yes.
It's not 8x. No. Let me tell you how. Listen. You're missing this part. You're missing this part and this part. Why? Isn't it included in the shape? This is 3x plus 3. This is 3x plus 1. So if this is, we subtract x from 3x plus 1, the remaining part will be 2x plus 1. Similarly, from 3x plus 3, if we are removing x plus 1, so that part will be equal to 2x plus 1. So it's actually 2 times 3x plus 3, 2 times 3x plus 1, which would be equal to 3x plus 3 2 times, that is 6x plus 6, and exactly 6x plus 2 here, which would be 12x plus 8, right? Got it, Rabia?
Yes.
Okay. Rabia, are you from Team C?
Yes.
Okay, the next question is from you. Please press the buzzer. Shown below is a rectangle with width 2x and the area of the rectangle is 8x square. You need to find the parameter of the rectangle.
4x.
For x is okay. One student can tell the answer from the team C.
6x plus 4.
Okay, that is the incorrect answer. The width is obviously the length is 4x, but the parameter is 4x plus 4x 8x and 2x plus 2x 4x, which is equal to 12x. So the parameter of this shape is 12x. So your answer is considered as wrong. This is the wrong answer. Okay, 3 question has been asked from the team A. Now who is team C? Who is from the team D? Who is going to answer from team D? Shayan.
Yes.
Shayan, the next question is from you, from team D. X square minus 7x plus 12. So what is the factorization? You need to factorize this. You have 10 more seconds to answer.
X minus 4, x plus 3.
Minus 4 and x minus 3. This is the correct answer. X plus
3. Minus 3.
X minus 4 and x minus 3. This is correct. Okay, who is the next one from your team to answer the question? From D? Team D. Nihal. Are you ready for the? Okay, the next question is for you, Nihal. X square plus 5x plus 6. So what will be the values for the x? The roots of this equation. Yes, buzzer आप press करेंगे.
Okay, sir. सर इसका आंसर होगा
Yes. What is your answer?
Sir, last one.
Last one is the incorrect answer. The answer to this question is x is equal to 3 and 2 because when you substitute 3 and 2, these are the roots of this equation. तो आपका ये आंसर गलत कंसिडर किया जा रहा है. Who is the next one from team D? Who's going to answer from the team D? Maria Ammar, are you from the team D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are going to answer the next question.
Yes.
Work out the nth term for the sequence 12, 22, 32, 42, 52. What will be the nth? Yeah, it's a what will be the nth term?
It would be 10n plus 2.
Well done, mashallah. Well done. That is 10x plus 2 or 10n plus 2. That is the correct answer. Okay, आप दोनों टीम से 3 क्वेश्चंस किए गए हैं और उन 3 क्वेश्चंस में मैंने मेक श्योर किया कि सारे बच्चे एंगेज हो जाएं ताकि कोई डिसहार्ट ना हो क्योंकि बजर बजाने का मौका सबको नहीं मिल रहा और उनके नाम नहीं आ रहे. That's why now there will be buzzer challenge and the next question for the next question you guys have to press the buzzer to answer that question. जो भी पहले buzzer press करेगा उसी को चांस दिया जाएगा कि वो आंसर करे. So the next question is on your screen now. The first 3 terms of a Fibonacci sequences are x, 3x and 4x. What is the fifth term?
Team C, Maryam Fatima.
11x.
11x is the correct answer because when you're finding x plus 3x is 4x, 4x plus 3x is 7x, and 7x or 4x is equal to 11x. That is the correct answer. Well done. So get ready for the next question. That is on your screen now. Okay, you need to select the correct inequality from the list. You can see the graph of the inequality.
Prowess.
Y is greater than or equal to x plus 3.
Y is greater or equal to x plus 3 is not the correct answer. y is less or equal to x plus 3 is the correct answer.
The graph is
So-
going up.
If the graph
Yes.
is going, no, it's not for the graph is going up. If the graph is going up, then you cannot take this. You need to take this inequality on the basis of some point. So this is the shaded area. You take any point from this region. We're taking this origin and you put it here. The answer which you selected this answer. So 0 is greater or equal to 0 plus 3. So 0 is greater or equal to 3. Is it possible that 0 is either equal or greater than 3? No, it is not possible. But when you substitute here, 0 is less or equal to 0 plus 3, which means 0 is either less or equal to 3. That is the correct answer. So it's not like that you are going to select it from this region. It is going up. It is not. We are not finding the slope here. It's actually something else here, because we are identifying whether it's greater than or less than. And you can either identify by substituting any point from the region that is shaded region. Your answer is considered incorrect. 5 points has been deducted. Okay, get ready for the next question. Oh, x and g of x are given. You need to find the composite function of f of g of x. Be quick.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
It's 2x cube plus x square minus 6x and minus
No.
3.
No. Who is at second place?
X square.
No, no, no. Your answer is incorrect. Miss Fajr, किसी ने इसके बाद प्रेस किया है?
From Team D, we have Asma Murtaza.
Yes, Asma.
4x square minus 2.
X square minus 2. That is incorrect as well. But we are only deducting the score from the team C, Mariam Fatima. The correct answer is 4x square plus 4x minus 2. How? Because when you have f of g of x, so you are substituting 2x plus 1 here, which would be equal to 2x plus 1 whole square minus 3. That is 4x square minus plus 4x plus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 4x square minus plus 4x minus 2. So that is the correct answer. तो जिसने पहले प्रेस किया है वो उसी से डिडक्शन होती है. All right. Next question is on your screen. You need to ABCD is, if ABCD is a rectangle, you need to find the coordinates of the point D, where it should be.
Team and Abia West.
It's going to be 6 and 2. I mean 2 and
It's-
6.
Yeah, it's 2 and 6, right? Your answer is considered correct. So it's 6 and 2 because that point must be here to make a perfect rectangle, and the coordinates of these points are 2 on x-axis and 6 on y-axis, right? Next question on your screen. Work out the equation of line.
Team D, Irha.
Yes, Irha. Irha Mughal. Okay, maybe she has done this by mistake. Who is the next one?
Team D से ही Asma Murtaza.
Asma Murtaza.
Y equals x minus 1.
Y equals x minus 1 is the correct answer. Well done, Irha. Okay. हम इनको ये पॉइंट इवार्ड करते हैं क्योंकि आई थिंक मे बी सम प्रॉब्लम है उनका, इरान मुगल का, उन्होंने अभी तक माइक ओपन नहीं किया. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट इफ यू प्रेस द बजर यू शुड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी फिर नहीं दी जाती, ये सिर्फ जस्ट मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग जिसको हो रही है उस वजह से ये किया गया है. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Circle the equation of the line parallel to y equals 1 over 4x.
And Abhiyaves.
Y is equal to 1 by 4x plus 2.
That is the correct answer, because for the parallel lines, make sure that the slopes are equal. So the slope of both of them are equal to 1 over 4, and in all the other, the slopes are not 1 over 4. So we will consider this first answer as the correct answer. This is the one. Okay, 10 points has been awarded to Anapia and her team. Right. So the next question is on your screen. Which angle is a right angle?
Team D, Maria.
B.
B is the right angle. Well done, because this is the one that we understand it from this little box. All right. The next question is on your screen. Work out the size of the angle Y that is marked.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
160
Yes, Mike.
degree.
160 is the correct answer, because one of them is 90, the other one is 110, which both becomes 200, and 360 minus 200 becomes 160. So 160 degree is the correct answer. This is the one. Well done. Right. Okay. Get ready for the next question. Here is on your screen. Work out the size of the angle marked as Y. Be careful.
Team D, Irha.
Sir, can you hear me?
No. Now you can answer. Yes, Irhan?
115.
115. Right. Okay, let's check. It's 115 the correct answer, because this one is 65 as well, and 65 and Y are considered to be the co-interior angles, which add up to 180 degree. So Y will be equal to 180 minus 65, that is equal to 115. Well done, Irha. It's 115 the correct answer. Get ready for the next question. Shown below is the regular pentagon. You need to find the single interior angle.
Team D, Maria.
108 degree.
108 is the correct answer, because the sum is 540 divided by 5. So each interior angle of a pentagon is 108 degree. Well done, Maya. The next question is on your screen. The straight line BC is dashed to a circle.
Team C, and Abhiyaves.
It's a chord.
Yes, BC is a chord, because the endpoints of a line segment not passing through the center, but the points are on the circle, the endpoints are on the circle, is said to be the chord, the definition of the chord. Get ready for the next question. Here it is. Find the size of the angle DAB.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
118 degree.
118 is the correct answer. The reason that the opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So 118 plus 62 can be equal to 180. So that is the correct answer. Well done. Get ready for the next question, kids. It is on your screen now. Work out the size of the angle BCD. Be careful.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
It's 102 degree.
Good, mashallah. So the angle at a circumference is half to the angle at a center, so that would be 78. So the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180, so it would be 102. Well done, mashallah. That is 102 degrees, right? Next question is on your screen. Kids, click the buzzer. Find the length of the side marked as X. This is a right angle triangle.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter is the correct answer. 8 centimeter is the correct answer. Well done. Because according to the Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equals c square, and the b square is equal to x square is equal to c square minus a square, which is equal to 10 square minus 6 square. That is 100 minus 36, which is equal to 64. So if x square equals 64, x would be equal to root of 64, that is equal to 8. Well done. Okay, the next question is on your screen. Be careful. The diagram shows the right angle triangle. This is trigonometry. You need to find the value of x, but make sure
Team C,
you...
Mariam Fatima.
It's 9.06 centimeter. I think.
Well done. Mashallah, mashallah. Okay, this is the correct answer, 9.06. Why? Look, we have this and we can apply the trigonometric ratio of cos. So if the cos theta 25 equals base by hypotenuse, and we know the base, we need to find the base here. The hypotenuse is 10 times cos of 25, and cos of 25 is given to be 0.906. So 10 times 0.906 would be equal to 9.06 centimeter, which is the correct answer. And how quickly she has answered this question. Well done. All right, get ready for the next question. It's write down the exact value of tangent 45.
C, Mus-
Yes,
1.
1 is the correct answer, mashallah. Because we know that it is a sine of 45 divided by cos of 45, which is equal to 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2. That is equal to 1. 1 is the correct answer. Well done. Okay, ready for the next question? It's the curve for y equals sine x. You need to write down the coordinates of the point B.
Team C,
What are-
Mariam Fatima.
270 degree minus 1.
Well done, mashallah. It's on x-axis 270, on y-axis it's -1, because the sine moves is 0, and at extreme point it's 90 for 1, 180 for 0, and 270 for 1 again, 360 for 0. Mashallah. All right. The next question is on your screen. Here's the graph which shows the value of x between 270 and 360. Graph 1, 2, 3 are on your screen. Which graph shows y is equal to cos x?
Team D, Irha.
Yes, Irha.
Graph 1. Graph
What is your answer, Irha?
Graph 1.
Graph 1 is the incorrect answer. The reason y is equal to cos x is 0 at 270 and maximum at 360, which is 1. Cos 360 is 1 at y-axis and cos 270 is here. So B is graph 2 is the correct answer. All right, 5 marks will be deducted from your screen, Irha, from your team. And the next question, the few more questions are there. It's going to be finished soon. So the next question is on your screen now. We have the two vectors. You need to find the difference of the two vectors D minus C as a column vector.
Team C, Mariam Fatima.
It's 1 by 8.
Not by, it's 1/8, right? It's 1/8, which is the correct answer. Well done. Next question on your screen. DFG is a straight line, DE4A, EF6B. You need to find DF in terms of A and B.
Team C, Musali.
4A
Yes.
6 Z.
Yes, exactly. It's 4A plus 6B, the correct answer. Well done, Musa. Because you're finding DF, which is DE plus EF, that is 4A plus 6B. Yes, next question on your screen now. A priced coin is flipped twice. The probability of a coin landing on tail is 0.7. What is the probability of coin that the coin lands on the heads twice?
Team C, Mariam.
Yes, Mariam.
It's 0.09.
0.09. Yes. ये मैं यहाँ पर गलत लिखा हुआ था मिस फजर, इसको हम करेक्ट कंसिडर करेंगे. All right. Move to the next question. Here's a Venn diagram. Write down the numbers that are in set. No. One number is selected at random. You need to find the probability that the number is in the set B
Team D,
complement.
Nihal.
Yes, Nihal?
Team D,